I, H.E Simba, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before this committee in respect of the matters before the committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Okay, next will be your citation and submission of your written responses.
Mr. Chairman, I hereby table the following document before the committee. Management response and the accompanying annexures on the report of the Auditor General on the financial statement for the financial year 2021-2022 and 2022-2023 for the County Executive of Kisii. The report of the Auditor General on the receiver on the revenue for financial years 2021, 2022 and 2022-2023, and the report of the Auditor General on the financial statement of the county revenue and fund for financial year 2021, 2022 and 2022-2023.
Okay, Auditor General, could you confirm whether you've been able to go through those responses and whether you're in a position to guide us?
Yeah, thank you, Chair. We are in a position to receive the responses and supporting annexures, and we are ready to execute the reports.
The Clerk of the Senate, may you confirm?
Yes, Chair, I do confirm that we received the responses within the timelines that we had set.
Okay. So is there any reason that would stop us from proceeding, OAG?
No, Chair, there is no reason that can stop us not to proceed. There is no reason.
Okay, so before we proceed to the substantive agenda, I think we must dispense with the issue of summons. Governor Simba Arati, you are appearing before the Senate. You have been compelled to appear before the Senate via summons that were served upon you. You are supposed to have appeared earlier in the week. I think that should have been on Monday. But this committee varied the date to allow you time to put together your documentation and to interact with the Office of the Auditor General. It's good that you're here, but parliamentary summons are never issued in vain. It would be important, first of all, to go on record to find out why you did not honor the invitation of the Senate to appear at the past invitation. Governor?
Chairman, thank you. From the onset, I just want to indicate that I have a bad flu, therefore you'll bear with me as I'm going home with